This is just a very short video, kind of going over the high points, what I think are the key takeaways from this video series. Number one, trust load calcs. Good load calcs are really important in my experience, and they're very, very conservative. So there's not a reason to inflate load calcs. They don't have to be very complicated. They don't have to take a lot of time, but good load calcs with good inputs make a lot of difference in getting the sizing right. Consider heat pump systems that are smaller and simpler. Lots of data, a growing amount of data out there show that smaller capacity, simpler, fewer zones are more efficient. So take that to heart. I think ducts can make a lot of sense in some homes. It's a way to get smaller capacity systems, albeit ducted systems, instead of potentially oversized multi-zone systems with lots of heads everywhere. Can be better for efficiency, can be better for comfort, not appropriate everywhere because of space constraints and costs and et cetera, as everybody is aware of. But do consider ducts. I see ducts. I think ducts have a bigger place in homes than is happening now. I think there's a lot of missed potential from good ducted systems. Thoughtful use of resistance heat makes a lot of sense in some applications. It can augment, if your heat pump capacity doesn't have quite enough capacity to meet design loads, resistance can fill that gap. If you're doing a simple system, a single ductless head or fewer ductless heads, resistance in secondary spaces and spaces that don't have a head in them can add comfort, can lower the cost of the system, and actually, if it's a smaller, simpler heat pump system, can lower the operating cost of the system. And also for extreme events, if you're concerned about very extreme events, don't oversize the heat pump, but some kind of auxiliary heat like resistance can make a lot of sense. And if you do use resistance, think about how you control that resistance. From an efficiency standpoint, we obviously want to limit the use of resistance. We want to maximize the use of the heat pump to provide the heating load. So think through carefully how you control the system.